This is a native in this region right here.
These are prickly pear cactus.
This one's very unique.
We are planting them alongside of the road, so if there were a fire to occur, it can slow the fire down. Eventually, it'll put the fire out on its own.
It's always been in the back of my head. Like I did know that cactus holds water, but to actually go out and put it on the field is really cool. I can't believe they're actually doing it on here. It's really smart.
The smaller ones are a lot harder to spot, but you'll definitely feel it.
We use tongs.
You know, just like a barbecue, getting a patty. It helps a lot because there's not only these really big needles, there's a lot of these smaller ones surrounding it as well, and we want to be careful with all of them.
Grab it from the top and just put it in maybe a couple inches in the ground, and then we bury it up. We're doing a really good job. I think they're projected for us to plant over 300, but we did over almost to 1,000. We have a really good crew dynamic, and we just went with the workflow and we got it done. It's just fun.
And then we also have to make sure it's obviously straight, make sure they're not falling over. This is my first time actually planting cactus on the grade, so it is really different, but that's what I love about the Seas. Everything's different. You never know what you're gonna expect the next week or the next day.
The cactus is gonna grow, and it's gonna grow for a while, and hopefully it spreads and jumps over and you see a border of cactus, and that'd be a really sweet thing to have it, long after we're gone out of the Seas, it's still here. That's the cool thing about all the projects, you get a chance to drive by a project you've done, you see the work you did, and really makes an impact into the environment.